Sabik from InnovalyWorks, working as Salesforce consultant. In this video, we're going to see data flow creation in CRM analytics. We're going to see a small data flow, so where we are going to combine two Salesforce object and we are going to make it as an augmentation, and we are going to see the results. Let's get into the video. This is my developer org, and from here I will show you how we can go to the analytics page. So from here you click on Analytics Studio. So once you go there, from here we are going to Data Manager. So and from here manage data flows. So this is the area. This is data flows and recipes. Just click on data flows. So the data flow is very similar to how we are making the flows in Salesforce. This you can call it as an enhanced version of the same. So I just wanted to know, before going further for analytics, what is the need of analytics? The point to be noted is there are some restrictions in the standard reports and the dashboards. You cannot connect unrelated objects in Salesforce standard reports and dashboards. But the main advantage here is in analytics, you can connect any objects you want, even it is unrelated, you can connect that. For example, you can connect an object in Sales Cloud, that is either lead or opportunity, to the accounting seed objects. So this connection is also not is possible here, where it is not possible in standard reports. So that's how it is powerful. Then before ending this video, I am going to show how powerful analytics is and why we should purchase this one. So first one, let me create a data flow. Click on create data flow. So let's say this is our sample. So today I am going to show a very simple one, how much amount is available against an account. So the customer, we take it as an account, and against him how many opportunities, I mean the sum of the total opportunities that we are going to display. So we call it as sample account, let's say amount. So whatever name you want, you can give, create. So once it is done, you have to click on this SFDC DC digest, this salesforce.com digest. Digest is nothing but, you can see this from the symbol itself, it is like coming in, right? So that means we are taking the data from Salesforce to analytics. Click on it. I'm going to give you a super name here, that is account. Source object, that is our Salesforce object name we have to provide, account. And just want to take the fields. So basically I need ID, and I want to show in my report the account name or the customer name. That's it. I have selected both and click on create. So my one node is ready. We call it as node here. So I need the opportunity also. So again click on the same button. So now this is my opportunity. Source object, I'm going to give opportunity, the same name from our Salesforce. And then the main item here, in this use case, we are going to sum up the amounts, right? So take the amount, and then I need to connect this account and an opportunity. So let me take the account ID. So create. So my two nodes are ready. Now the thing is, we need to combine these two. So for that we are having a powerful feature in Dataflow, that is augment. So augment, it is nothing but connection of the nodes. So click on augment. So the node name I'm going to give, let's say it is an augment between account and opportunity. So my left source will be account, and then this one I will come back. So right source will be my opportunity. The reason why I'm putting account on left and opportunity on the right is, account is the one, from account we are going to sum up the opportunities. So that is the reason. I mean basically one account can have multiple opportunities, so that concept. So that is the reason I'm giving in left source account, right side opportunity. The key which I'm going to choose here is ID, and then here that is my account ID. So whichever it is mapping, we need to provide those ID. And relationship name, the user defined name you can give. Let me select, I'm going to talk about the accounts, right? So that's what we're trying to derive it. So I'm going to give account underscore amount. The right fields, what do you want? Amount. So now the main agenda of this data flow, what we are talking about right now, is the operation, either lookup or multiple. If I give lookup single value, that means for every single account we will have only one opportunity mapped. In this case, we need to provide lookup multiple values. The reason being that for one account, if I have multiple opportunities, then all these opportunities will be summed up and it will be put against this account. So I'm going to choose the multiple values and then click on create. So what I'm saying is, let me open an opportunity. Let's say this one, Atkins 907. If I give single, then only one opportunity amount, that is 1.7 million, will be taken against that particular account. If I give multiple, that means 1.7 million and 309,000. So both will be summed up and it will be shown in my report. So that is the main difference. So once it is done, we need to create an output that we call it as SFTC register. Click on it. This is nothing but a register node. So some user defined name you can give, register, and then let's say output. Source node is, this is my source node. Alias is nothing but how the API name is there, right? In the same way I'm going to give alias name. So I'm going to give, let's say, sample account amount. Okay, so I'm going to give the same name for my label. So this is the kind of a label. Then click on create. So that's it, our data flow is ready. So save it, that means update data flow. Click on update, then we are going to run it. Go to data monitor. So you can see it is running. So just give a refresh whether it is done. Yeah, now it became successful. So now we have to come back to the dataset page. So from here you click on browse and then go to dataset, and then the name, just type the name what we have given, sample account. So this name what I'm entering here is nothing but in my data flow in the register, this name. Okay, sample ACC amount. So that means you can see here it is created. Just now we have created, you can see here in 0 seconds earlier it was created. Just click on it. So this is nothing but my data set. So from here we are going to create the lens. So let me go to the table mode. So on IDs I don't need it, let me remove it. I just want to see what is the account name and what is the amount against. So we got all the values. Just for the verification purpose, let me select this one, Atkins 907 Inc. This account I should get this value 1.7 plus 309. So that we will verify. So that is account name against this one, this filter. Click on apply. Yeah, 2051. So let me sum up this one, 1741. Okay, 1741 plus 1.7 million plus 309. Okay, 1000. So it is around 2 million. Okay, so we'll just find, yeah, 2 million, it is coming. I want to see quickly some other account. Let's say Rogers 709. We will see, copy. So here you can see 2 million and then 3.3 million. That means around 5.3 million should come for this particular account. So I'm gonna click on it, give the name and equals that value and then apply. 5.3 is coming. Yep, around, yeah, that's okay. So 2.0 and 3.39. Yeah, 5.4, that's pretty fine. So that we have done. So I just want to show a couple of items here. I want to see these in the chart mode. So click on the chart mode and then I'm going to choose the bar length as a sum and the bars as account name. So for each account, how much it is coming. So you can see for Rogers 79 Inc. So we have, as we have given the filters, only one name is available there. You can see 5.4 million. I am just going to show you after removing this filter. Yeah, you can see what are all accounts we have in my org and what are the amounts, I mean the opportunity amount sums it is showing against that. We are having multiple filters options. Suppose I don't want this horizontal one, I can take this one. I can take this one, and even in pyramid I can show here. So multiple options are available. So you can go through these charts to have multiple options, and once it is done, then I'm going to show you a glimpse of the dashboard which I have created earlier. So from here, so this new lens, you can save it. Click on save and then you can save it. I just want to show you a dashboard which I have done earlier. So I just want to show you how powerful the analytics is. Let's say I will take this one, toggle switch demo. So basically this is how we have created the data set. So I have created an opportunity data set. You can see this is, we call it as toggle switch. So when I click on each tab, how the charts are getting changed, so that you can see here. So for example, if I want to see industry wise, you can see for agriculture I have 22 million amount we have made. Suppose I want to see stage wise, we can do, click on it. So you can see closed one, I have 392 million, and then against each stages I have different amount. Similarly, how my sales representative they have performed, I can see. You can see who has done better. You can see 69 million he has made, Kelly. And I want to see against account wise or client wise or customer wise, that also you can see. So the customer, you can see this guy has given a bigger amount. So basically we can compare this and that. You can compare these between different accounts or customers. Suppose if I want some other field to be added here, we can add it here in the toggle switch, so we can compare those. And before finalizing, I just want to show one more thing. So in this data flow, so we have seen this SFDC register, and yeah, this one register, and augment we have seen. We are having multiple options available. For example, Edgemart is nothing but you have already created a data set. That one you want to use it in this particular data flow, you can use this. And similarly, append, it is like appending two data sets one by one, that is possible. And compute expression is kind of a formula field in Salesforce in similar way. Compute relative expression, which is similar to computer expression. The main difference is here you will group and then you will do the formulas. Then dimension is nothing but you are changing from integer to string to integer, that you can do it here. And this is prediction. This is mainly for AI predictions, mainly Einstein analytics. And this is our normal filter. So the filter, whatever I have shown and applied here, this area. So this I am doing the filter in the lens part, whereas here you can do the filter even in the ground level. And slice data set, it's nothing but, suppose I have 10 fields available here. Let's say in this I have, let's say 3 fields. I don't want this ID. In that case, you can use the slice to either to keep or drop. And similarly, update, just want to update a particular data set, that we can do, then registering. So it will be helpful for you. And we are having one more tool. So Dataflow is one of the tool which we have seen, and recipe also you can use, which is similar to Dataflow. So you can get the hands on either one, and then you can play with it. Hopefully this video will be helping for you, and if you have any doubts, please comment on the below. Thank you.